Who loves bronzer?
I do.
Sheena, don't put this in, seriously.
Sheena's totally gonna do that now that you asked her not to. Okay, people, who loves bronzer?
Today we are talking about bronzer because we have an exciting collection in this little baggie here. So this is the brand new Elate Gild Collection, and we have two beautiful cream bronzers in here. So today we're going to teach you how to use a cream bronzer, and we are going to show you the colors as well and dive into these products as well as where else to put bronzer.
Stay tuned for our gorgeous bronze makeup look. We're gonna show you how to get a beautiful bronze glow with one product, the Elate new cream bronzer. There's two shades. I like this because it travels very well. I can use this for 3 different things on my face. Anything else?
Well, I personally love the universal creams already, especially the highlighters. And so when I found out about these, I was super excited because I love bronzer.
Bronze.
And glow. Step 1 is where to place your bronzer on your face. So think about being out in the sun and you're basking in the sun. Where is the sun actually going to hit you first? So the areas are the top of the forehead, kind of onto the top of the cheeks, down the nose, and onto the chin. And so those high points of the face are where you want to put the bronzer. This is a little bit different if you were contouring your face with a matte bronzer. In those areas, you're gonna go in with kind of the shadowing. But for this look, we wanna put it on the top high points of the face where the sun's actually gonna hit you.
Not a contour product.
No, this is a glowy, dewy, fresh, bronzed product.
The second tip we're going to give about using this cream bronzer is what to use. So do you use your fingers, do you use a brush? You can actually do either. If you use a brush, just take a little bit of product and sweep it over, buff it into the skin on your forehead, cheeks, and nose and chin area. And then you can also do the same with your fingers. The trick with this, there is a little mirror in the back. Just make sure you're applying your makeup in good lighting. Natural light is best. And just making sure you're blending it all in so there's no hard lines or anything. It's all blended in beautifully.
A tip that I really like to give with the cream products, if you've never used a brush with them before, I actually scoop out a little bit from the tin, warm it up on the back of my hand, and then run my brush in it. And I find that it just coats the brush a little bit nicer than dipping it straight into the compact. Another thing is sometimes with creams, your brush hairs can get stuck inside the cream. So that's another reason why I do it that way. However, I actually prefer using a brush over using my fingers. I find that it just blends really beautifully.
I do a bit of both. The third tip we're going to share with you when using a creamy based product like this, a general rule of thumb is creams work with creams. So if you're using a foundation, you'll find that this will likely spread or blend a little bit better when you're applying it on top of a more liquid or creamy based foundation, or even just prepping your skin really well with a face cream.
Yeah, you don't even need to wear makeup underneath this product. It works really nicely on bare skin as well. We find that for those of you who are wanting that more matte look, or if you are wearing a powder foundation, it's probably not going to work as well, and you're going to want to stick to something like a powdered bronzer. We're curious if any of you have ever used a cream bronzer before, and if you like it or what your experience with that product was like. Make sure to comment below and let us know your feedback.
And we always like to know what you guys are trying out there. We're always up to trying new things, so let us know too.
We made another video about cruelty-free bronzers. If you'd like to learn more about bronzing powder, make sure to click the link here to be redirected to that video.
Are you ready to make the switch to healthier beauty products? We're constantly curating our online shop with our favorite natural beauty products. We feel confident that you will love everything we have in the store. Visit thegreenbeautycollective.com to have a look for yourself. This was a super easy and quick video for you. We hope that you learned a few things. And if you follow us on Instagram, we'd love it if you tagged us on your makeup looks that you're learning from us. We just want to see your progress and what you're learning. It keeps us making these videos. Do you want to learn more and engage with people just like you? we have an amazing online community called the Green Beauty Community. This is your opportunity to be a part of a group that discusses natural products, techniques, and for you to ask any burning questions you may have or advice that you may need. You can find the link to the page in the description bar below.
If you enjoyed this video or learned something from this video, please let us know by liking it, commenting, or sharing it with a friend, family member, or fellow natural beauty lover. Every time you share our videos or tell people about the Green Beauty Collective, it definitely helps us spread our education, and it helps us grow as a channel and a business. So we really appreciate it.
Yes, thank you. And as usual, we'll see you on Tuesday.